Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this financial tools platform, which is Fintable. So to get started with the breakdown and the review about this platform, Fintable is a no-code financial automation tools that connect bank account, credit cards, transaction data directly to platforms like Hackable and Google Sheet in 2025. It has become a favorite among small business owners, solopreneurs, and finance professionals who want real-time visibility into their finances without complex software. It supports over 15,000 banks globally through integrations with Plaid, Finx, and Fincity, enabling automatic synchronization of balance and transactions hourly, daily, or on demand depending on the plan. User can filter categorize tags and build custom workflow using spreadsheet logic, making it highly flexible to cash flow tracking, budgeting, even forecasting. The main appeals is how it turns a familiar spreadsheet into a live financial dashboard. Fintable offer a free trial with paid plans starting at $7 per month for individual and $365 per year for teams, and up to $500 per month for enterprise users who need API access and dedicated support. Most users appreciate its simple setup, customization, and the time it saves by automating data entry. The categorization, however, some have reported connection issue and certain banks frustration with the billing practice, especially regarding auto renewal and unclear cancellation flows. Still, with the powerful features like transaction rules, multi-banking synchronization, and the automation-friendly design, Fintable remains one of the best financial tools in 2025 for users who love spreadsheet but need a real-time financial clarity. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Find the video helpful, rate it, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more. Thanks.